talk. First and foremost, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Brenda and welcome. So today is December 12th. I did not upload yesterday, and yes, I know that I'm doing Vlogmas, but it is so hard to vlog every single day and upload every single day. And my conscience is killing me because I didn't upload a Vlogmas day 11. And it hurts because like I literally wanted to be on my grind so bad, but I just need to realize that sometimes I can't do it. Like I try to force myself, and just forcing myself doesn't make things any better. So I'm here today to say I'm sorry. Obviously, I'm sure you probably don't even care, but it just matters to me because, you know, I try to be as consistent as possible. Honestly, I'm just trying to do what I love and enjoy it at the same time. So I don't want it to feel like this is a drag, and I don't want it to feel like it's a burden that I have to do every single day. So I'm trying to enjoy it as best as I can because it honestly does bring me joy to vlog and to upload every single day. But realistically speaking, it's not possible. Like it's really, really, really hard. So with that being said, I'm sorry. I do plan to continue to vlog every single day, but just know that if I miss like a day or two or even three, I'm trying. I can't, you know, do everything on my own. But yeah, with that being said, we are back to our scheduled program. So this morning I had a few clients for Bodies by Brenda, and I just got those out of the way, and I decided that I'm going to do my makeup because we are going to Ulta. We're gonna do a little Ulta shop with me today. You guys are gonna go to Ulta with me, and we're gonna go ahead and play with some makeup and just see what is new in the market. I'm excited because I haven't really been to Ulta. I went to Sephora not too long ago. I think it was like a month ago. But I haven't been to Ulta or even shopped at Ulta. And guys, I have a 20% off coupon that your girl has to use, so you know damn well I'm gonna take advantage of my 20% off. But besides the point, I'm just really excited to get some new makeup and some new just like products because it really inspires me and motivates me to do my makeup even more. Like sometimes I feel like I don't like doing my makeup because it feels like a drag sometimes, because I do spend like an hour on my makeup and I'm just like, damn, I really spent an hour on this face. I mean, half of the time it's totally worth it, but you know, it's very time consuming and I don't want to be doing that all the time. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup to go buy some makeup, period. So if you guys want to go to Ulta with me and do some shopping, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so my makeup is finally done and I did something simple but cute. So I'm about to head out the door right now, but Lorenzo just got home not too long ago because he was out, and he brought up this package to me that I did not expect at all whatsoever. And I'm gonna show you guys what it is because I'm head over heels with it and I just wanna say thank you. So let me just show you what it is. I'm so shook. So this is the box that I received. It is from Popnetic Collection. I have previously worked with them in the past and they have amazing magnetic lashes, and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside because you guys are just gonna love it. So let me just open this up. Oh my gosh, the packaging is everything. I love it so freaking much. You guys are just gonna be shook when you see the inside. So this is a little card from Popnetic Collection. Make sure you guys go follow them. And look at this, guys. So they just came out with, I don't know if this is a holiday collection, but they just came out with a new range of lashes. And look at this. Oh my God. It also did come with lash adhesive eyeliner and a little cute eyelash curler. I believe it's rose gold. It is so adorable. But oh my God, Lisa, thank you so much. I can't wait to show you guys what they look like. So it is 4 lashes. Let me open them up for you. Okay guys, so here are all the lashes, and as you can see, it is 4 pairs. So we're gonna start off with these babies right here. These are in the style Katie. Oh my God, look at the fluffiness in them. They're so cute. And here's the style Isabel. Look at how wispy and long those are. I'm obsessed. And these are in the style Erica. I feel like these will be perfect for an everyday wear. They're very nice and wispy as well. And last but definitely not least is the style Lisa. And these are freaking bomb. I think these are definitely my favorite out of all of them. You did such a good job, Lisa. I'm so proud of you. Also, can I say that she named all of the lashes after her sisters? I think that is the cutest thing. That is definitely something that I would do. And I'm so proud of you. And this is just so amazing. I just wanted to say thank you so much for trusting me and picking me to collaborate with you. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You have no idea how much that means to me. So expect a tutorial coming real soon. But yeah, thank you so much again, Pop Netta Collection. I appreciate it so much. Hey guys, so I just made it to Ulta, and oh my God, is it so packed. Also, the wind is so crazy today, so my hair is like all over the place, but there's a line to get into Ulta, so I'm gonna get in line and I'll see you guys when I go inside. Hey guys, so far this is what I have. I don't have much going on. I made like a little wish list of things that I wanted, but a lot of the things are sold out. But there is a few things that I did find that I am excited to use. So I'm gonna continue browsing. I've been in here for like 20 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. This is one of the items that I have on my wish list. This is the ABH foundation. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I think I am gonna pick it up. I just need to see what shade fits me best. I've also heard a lot of good things about the loose setting powder. They have 5 different shades. I might pick that up as well. So here are the Kylie products. I have a few of her liquid lipsticks, but I think I want to pick up a few different shades. I do think her satin lipsticks are better than the matte ones. So hopefully I find some nice shades. Okay, so I'm in the car already and I'm super thirsty, so I'm gonna drink some water. So I was in there, I'm not gonna lie, I think I was in there for easily over like an hour and a half. But I was taking my time trying to choose everything that I wanted, because I'm like, if I'm going to splurge on makeup, I need to make sure that I get what I actually want. So here is our bag, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. So I'm going to start off with this. I've been wanting this spray. This is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. I'm obsessed with the regular setting mist, and lately I've been loving matte skin. So I thought I would try this out because matte skin is just my favorite. Also, disclaimer, yes, the lighting is kind of bad in here. I'm filming in my car and it is currently like 5-ish, so the sun is down and I have the little light, the car light on. So yes, I know it's going to look really bad. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I got next. So I got this bronzer from Morphe as well, and this is the Glam Bronzer. This bronzer, I've heard a lot of good things about this bronzer, so I decided to try it out. I got it in the shade Originator, and it's huge. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's so big. You definitely get a lot of product for what it was. Look at that, guys. It's literally half the size of my head. I really do think it was worth it for the price. I think it was, I want to say, it wasn't that expensive actually. I want to say it was like $17 or $18. But you know, girl got a 20% off coupon, so it ended up being only like 13 or 14, which is not bad at all. Next products are also from Morphe, and these are literally my favorites. I got 2 of them. So these are the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil, and I always get the shade Mocha. It's actually what I'm wearing on my eyebrows right now. Oh my god. Lighting is the worst right now, but that's what I wear on my brows all the time because I really think that it is super good, and those were only like $4 each, so I thought that was an amazing price, so that's why I got 2. I'm glad I got 2 because I'm almost done with the one that I have at home. Okay, so you know how I was showing you guys the Kylie cosmetic line? I was talking about satin lips, but what I meant was a velvet lip. Their velvet lip consistency is bomb, but all of the ones that I wanted were sold out. So the only thing that I got from Kylie Cosmetics was this guy right here. And this is like a travel, no, this is not travel size. I think this is just like a gift size, sample size. I don't know what you want to call it. And it's a little mini lip kit. It comes with the satin lipstick and, oh, it's matte lipstick and the lip liner. And it is in the shade Bare. So, oh my God, this is so small. I don't even know why I got this. Wow. This is so tiny. What am I going to do with this? I feel like returning it right now. I'm literally going to get like 2 wears with this and then I'm done. Knowing my ass, I have huge lips. Whatever. Not a big deal. Anyways, let me show you guys the lip liner. This is so tiny. I'm like really upset because how small it is. I think this was like $10 if I'm not wrong, but like, if I'm being honest with you, it's not worth it. Don't get it. Next thing that I got was, you know, I had to get this. This is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got it in a new shade today. This is medium tan sand. I normally always get regular medium, but I wanted to try a shade darker, just a teensy bit darker, because I do notice that sometimes when I apply it on, it looks like a little yellowish, like a little too light for my skin. So I wanted to try another shade. Then I did get the Anastasia foundation. This is the luminous foundation. I ended up going with shade 315N, and when I like match myself online, this is why I hate buying stuff online. I tried to pick my shade that best like describe my skin tone with the description that each shade had, and I think I chose like 350. That's how off I was. I chose 350 and in store I ended up going with 315 because 350 just looked really dark in person. It just looked really dark, and that is exactly why I hate buying makeup, especially foundations, online, because I always end up getting the wrong shade. I did that with the Huda Beauty matte foundation, and I still wear it here and then, but I prefer to only wear it in the summer or mix it with another shade because it is way too dark for me. So I ended up going with this guy. I want to try this out so bad, so definitely keep an eye out for a tutorial, maybe sometime this week. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a tutorial soon because I want to try a lot of these products out. Next thing I got, I really wanted, and I was looking for like all types of eye creams, and I ended up going with this one. This is the Origins Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. I think it's called the ginseng. I think that's what it is. So it's an eye cream. I didn't have an eye cream at the moment, so I wanted to pick up a new one. If you guys haven't seen my nighttime skincare routine, you definitely want to go watch it because skincare is worth it. It definitely is a game changer. Go watch it. I will put you guys on some products if you go watch it. I promise you, you guys will love it. So I decided to buy this one. Like I said, it says it brightens and depuffs the eyes, and this is what it looks like. It's super tiny. It was like $34 or $35, but I mean, you want to take care of your under eyes because honestly, like, these things right here can get really bad really quick, so you want to make sure you're taking care of your under eyes. Next thing I got is also skincare, and this is the Kopari coconut water moisture cream. And it is coconut scented, so I love that. So I can't wait to also try that out. And the last product that I bought, oh no, the light went off. Okay, there we go. And the last product that I bought is a perfume, and I had all the intention of buying a Chanel perfume today. I was like, girl, you're gonna splurge on yourself and you're gonna buy yourself a good smelling perfume because you deserve it. And I don't have a perfume that, actually I have one perfume that I really like, and it's the Versace Bright Crystal perfume, and it's the only one that I have actually that I enjoy. Other than that, I only use like body mist. So I was like, let me splurge on a perfume and just try something new. So I wanted to buy Chanel one. They didn't have the one that I like, and the Chanel ones that they had smelled like, but they smelled like old lady, and I did not, I don't like those smells. So I decided to go with this one, and this is the Ariana Grande Rem perfume. I bought the small size because, okay, I was trying to smell all these perfumes, right? But I feel like when I smell different perfumes, it like messes up my sense of smell. So I decided not to get the big one because what if I hate it? And the packaging of this is so cute. I'll show you guys later, but it's like a cute little bottle. So it's the bottle, and it comes like with a crystal holder. Oh, it's so freaking cute. So yeah, this is what I got. So yeah, that's everything that I got, guys. I am happy with my buys. Hopefully everything, you know, is good. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the car and we're going to drive off. So I'm really hungry. Oh my god, I think the lighting is actually better right now. There's like a parking lot light right above me, so if I move like this way, the lighting is A1. I was saying, I think I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna go stop and get something really quick to eat because I'm really hungry and I have not ate. The only thing I ate today was oatmeal this morning, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so today is obviously the next day and today is December 13 and I totally forgot to close out the vlog yesterday, and yeah, I didn't go to bed till like 3 a.m. so I definitely didn't upload and I definitely didn't finish the vlog, but today is the next day and I'm actually on my way out the door right now because we are on our way to a birthday. It's our best friend Casey's birthday. He is turning the big 3-0, so we're gonna go out and celebrate with him, and it is like a 30s theme birthday party and I'm so excited. Not 30s, it's a 90s theme birthday party. He's turning 30, so he was born in the 90s, but it is a 90s theme birthday party and I want to show you guys my outfit. I literally put it together this morning because I was just like, oh my god, what can I wear? Like, I don't even know what they used to wear in the 90s, but I'm going to show you guys right now. So please ignore the mess all around, but this is what I decided to wear. Oh my god, the tag is still on this. I literally bought this morning at Target. Anyway, so I decided to pop on a mini skirt with a black little sweater. It's like a button-up sweater. These sweaters give me like Clueless vibes. I also popped on a bucket hat with these booties. They're like chunky booties, and I like the contrast of like white and black. So yeah, this is my outfit for our little 90s party. We are super late, so we're gonna run out the door and I will catch up with you guys a little later. Happy birthday to you.
You guys are lit as fuck.
So I am now home editing this video for you guys so I can have it up. Fortunately, it's like 9 p.m. so it won't be up until tomorrow morning. But I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you guys so much for watching. I know this weekend wasn't really entertaining and I didn't vlog as much as I would want to. But like I said, you know, I'm going to try my best and there won't be vlogs every single day, but I will try to vlog as much as I can. But yeah, that's going to be all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.